I'm going to show you how to use QuickMark and pull the reports that you are logging on QuickMark. So QuickMark takes sometimes a while to open because Google Maps are at the back. I preloaded a lot of weeds and different things that you can log. Like for instance, here's mice colonies, ryegrass, a lot of stuff written in Afrikaans, rocks. So any one of these you can just push and it will log exactly where you are. So you will see there's a rock logged, and you can add your own logging points with a plus on the right. So I'm going to go back, going to reports, I'm going to mark report, and yeah, for instance, mice colonies. I logged all the mice colonies on my farm. So here I can see exactly where all the mice colonies are.